Comet C/2025 R3 PanSTARRS has recently captured the attention of astronomers and stargazers alike, poised to become one of the most spectacular astronomical events of 2026. Discovered relatively recently on September 8, 2025, by the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System PanSTARRS, this comet is already making waves in the scientific community, not only due to its early discovery, but also due to its promising potential to be visible to the naked eye. It has been labeled as one of the most anticipated comets of the year, with a possible magnitude that could make it as bright as some of the brightest stars in the sky. C/2025 R3 is currently located around 216 million miles, 348 million kilometers, from Earth, placing it somewhere between the orbits of Jupiter and Mars, according to data from the SkyLive.com. Despite this relatively far distance, the comet's trajectory suggests it will only get closer in the coming months, as it heads towards its closest approach to both the Sun and Earth in the coming months. While it is still many months away from Earth, its course is already being keenly observed. As of now, it is speeding through the solar system and will soon reach its perihelion, the point in its orbit where it is closest to the Sun. This event will occur on April 20th, 2026, when the comet will pass within 47.4 million miles, 76.3 million kilometers, of the Sun. This perihelion event is particularly significant because comets often undergo rapid changes as they approach the Sun. The heat and radiation from the Sun cause the icy nucleus of the comet to heat up, releasing gases and dust in a process known as outgassing. This results in the creation of a bright tail that stretches millions of miles behind the comet. And this visual spectacle is what often makes comets so captivating. In C/2025 R3's case, astronomers predict that it could produce a stunning display, with the brightness of its tail potentially making it visible even to the naked eye. The brightness of a comet is typically measured by its apparent magnitude, which is a reverse logarithmic scale. Lower numbers indicate greater brightness. Predictions vary, with some scientists estimating that the comet will reach a magnitude of 8, meaning it would require a telescope or binoculars to view. However, others suggest it may reach a magnitude of 2.5, which would make it one of the brightest objects in the sky, visible without any special equipment. If it indeed reaches this predicted magnitude, it could rival some of the brightest stars in the night sky, making it a memorable sight for anyone observing the heavens. As the comet continues its journey through the solar system, its path will bring it closer to Earth. On April 27, 2026, C/2025 R3 will make its closest approach to Earth, coming within 44 million miles, 78 million kilometers, of our planet. While this distance is still quite far, about 180 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon, it is close enough for astronomers to expect a spectacular view of the comet's tail, and perhaps even its nucleus. Such close approaches are rare, and the comet's relative proximity means it will be an exciting opportunity for scientists to study its behavior as it is influenced by the Sun's radiation. What makes C/2025 R3 PanSTARRS even more intriguing is that it is a long-period comet. This means that it likely takes more than 1,000 years to complete a full orbit around the Sun. Long-period comets are typically originating from the Oort cloud, a vast region of icy bodies located far beyond the orbit of Neptune, at the edge of the solar system. This reservoir of comets is thought to be the source of many of the comets that we observe, and they often take millennia to complete their orbital paths. The fact that C/2025 R3 has made its way into the inner solar system for the first time in possibly thousands of years makes this an especially significant event for astronomers. The discovery of the comet in September 2025, while a bit over a year away from its close approaches, has sparked significant interest in the astronomical community. The PanSTARRS project, which discovered the comet, is an extensive sky survey initiative based in Hawaii. The survey uses two 5.9-foot-1/8-meter reflector telescopes located on the summit of Haleakala, a dormant volcano on the island of Maui. These telescopes are part of a cutting-edge effort to track and catalog objects within our solar system, particularly those that may be hazardous to Earth, such as asteroids and comets. The discovery of C/2025 R3 adds to the impressive list of celestial bodies tracked by the PanSTARRS system, and it highlights the importance of ongoing sky surveys in understanding the dynamics of the solar system. While much about the comet's exact orbital pathway remains unclear, scientists are working to refine their predictions. As of now, they do not have precise data on the length of time it takes the comet to complete its orbit, but based on its trajectory, it is assumed to have originated in the Oort cloud and to be visiting the inner solar system for the first time. This adds an air of mystery to the comet's journey, as researchers eagerly await more data to learn how the comet's outgassing and visual features will evolve as it nears the Sun. The upcoming close approach of C/2025 R3 has captured the imagination of astronomers and the public alike. While its exact brightness remains a subject of debate, it has already been predicted to be one of the most remarkable astronomical events of 2026. If it reaches its predicted brightness, it will be visible to millions of people around the world without any need for a telescope, giving everyone a chance to observe a rare celestial event. The comet will likely be a source of wonder and awe as it streaks across the night sky, offering a glimpse into the distant reaches of our solar system. In addition to its visual spectacle, the comet's close approaches to both the Sun and Earth offer an invaluable opportunity for scientific study. Comets are often referred to as dirty snowballs because they are made of ice, dust, and other materials left over from the early solar system. As such, they hold clues to the formation of the solar system itself. Studying the composition of C/2025 R3 could provide valuable insights into the conditions that existed in the early solar system, potentially revealing information about the chemical processes that led to the formation of planets and other celestial bodies. The observation of comets like C/2025 R3 is a testament to the progress in astronomical research and the growing capabilities of telescopes and sky surveys. These efforts have allowed scientists to track and predict the behavior of comets with increasing precision, and their close approaches offer a unique opportunity to study these fascinating objects up close. Whether or not it becomes the great comet of the year remains to be seen, but C/2025 R3 promises to be a noteworthy and awe-inspiring spectacle for stargazers worldwide. As April 2026 draws near, anticipation for this celestial visitor will only continue to build, offering a chance to witness one of the most breathtaking natural events in the sky. In conclusion, the discovery of comet C/2025 R3 PanSTARRS has sparked excitement among astronomers and stargazers alike. Its predicted close approach to the Sun and Earth in April 2026 has everyone eager to see if it will live up to its potential as one of the brightest comets of the year. With its long-period orbit and potential for a spectacular display, this comet offers a glimpse into the distant past of our solar system, and it is sure to be a highlight of 2020's astronomical calendar.